Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be installing the MillerCAT Catalytic Converter Shield. And as you guys know, catalytic converter theft is on the rise, and especially for tacomas. They're easy targets because there's a lot of them. They're easy to get under, and I think they even have 4 catalytic converters, so it makes it a very nice target for thieves. So the MillerCAT Cat Shield is a great option if you're looking to have a little bit of insurance and protection. What I liked about this install is that it's 100% just bolt on. There's like no fabrication that you need to do or modifications. If you can turn a wrench, you can install this shield. It took me about an hour and a half to do it, so that's yeah, it's not a lot of time in my book. So be sure to check out the link down below. If you're looking to get one of these, I have a discount link down there so that you guys can purchase one of these at a discount. And MillerCAT offers different types of shields, so be sure to check them out. And let's get right into the install. For this install, you'll need a 12mm socket and a 1/4" bit driver. The assembly of the shield is very straightforward. The right wing has 4 screws, as you can see here, and the left wing has 5 screws, so you can't get them mixed up, which is very helpful. Now let's take a closer look at the additional hardware. Everything you need for this install is included from MillerCAT. These smaller tamper-proof screws are used to assemble the shield together, and it comes with its own bit driver. Next, we have 3 long bolts that are used at the top of the shield during installation. These attach to the truck's cross member. And lastly, we have these 4 bolts that are used on the truck's cross bars. The tamper-proof bit is also provided for these. We are now ready to assemble the shield. Take the side panels and attach them using the smallest screws. I first hand tightened these and then used my drill to secure them after. Be sure not to over torque these screws and follow the specs provided in the instructions. Here it is fully assembled before we install it on the truck, but first we need to add some stickers and send a little message to those crackheads. I hope you find that as entertaining as I do. With the shield assembled and the stickers in place, we can now remove the cross bars. There are 2 crossbars on the truck, and you will need to remove both of them. They each have 4 bolts holding them in place. With both crossbars removed, now we can move the shield under the truck. I found that using a jack was pretty much necessary. I don't see how any one person could hold the shield in place and manage to thread the bolts. Now, if you don't have a jack, grab a friend to help you hold it in place. Once I got the shield lined up with the correct bolt holes, I moved to the front of the truck. Grab the provided threaded plate and with the rounded side pointing to the driver's side, place it on top of the truck's cross member. This was definitely the most challenging part of the install. It was hard to see where to screw into place, but I was able to feel around, and once I got the first bolt into place, it was easy to get the next two. I left these bolts loose to make it easier for the rest of the install. Now take your crossbars and replace one of the original bolts with the tamper-proof bolt on each end. It should look something like this. Make sure to do this with both crossbars. This is going to make it extremely difficult for anyone trying to steal your cats. You shouldn't ever need to remove the shield for routine maintenance, but make sure to keep your tamper-proof key bit handy just in case you ever need it. With the bolts in place, I was able to remove the jack and finish tightening up all the bolts. And just like that, we have installed our 304 stainless steel cat shield from MillerCAT. It only took me an hour and a half and was very straightforward. I'm impressed with the machining and fitment, and it should provide me with a little protection while off-roading as well. So there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, I have a link down in the description so that you can purchase one of these at a discount, and we'll catch you in the next video.